Hi, good afternoon. A new day, a new product again. I am proudly presenting this Mitsubishi Outlander 2.4 Petrol 4x4 5-seater SUV to you today. Now I use the word proudly presenting is because I am actually proud of this one car that I own right now. This is absolutely flawless. There were a few scratches on it. We've got the touch-ups done and the car is now absolutely scratchless. The headlamps, as you can see, are absolutely clean and clear. No moisture retention, no damages. The fog lamps are great. No moisture retention, no damages there as well. The grille is fabulous. And the tires are all new. All 4 tires are new. The alloy wheels have been painted gold and they look really great on this vehicle. The rim size has been upped by an inch, so the car looks even more taller now and much more meaner now. Now when you look at the exteriors right now, they are absolutely clean, they are absolutely clear. The car was polished yesterday and I am making this video today. We are just one day ahead of Diwali and the car is just magnificent. A right family gift for this Diwali. So if there's anyone who's looking for a 5-seater SUV, automatic 4x4 or a commuter, even if a 4x4 is not required by you, but a good commuter with a huge space, this is the one for you. So this is the exterior walk around. You can see any kind of damages or any kind of as you can see in the rear bumper, there's a minor dent at the lower end, so that we can fix. Other than that, there's no scratch, no dent, nothing at all on the body of the vehicle. This is just an eye candy. I mean, it looks really beautiful. I'm enjoying making video of this car, to be very honest with you. Before we go inside, let me tell you, this is a 2009 Mitsubishi Outlander 2.4 liter petrol automatic 4x4 SUV, and the insurance of the car is expired. This has done about 69-70,000 kilometers approximately. The car was way ahead of its time when it was launched, so it comes with a hell lot of features. I'll now take you inside the car and we'll start seeing the features. A lot of things that you'll see in this car comes only in premium SUVs like Range Rovers and Audis and BMWs. So first things first, there's no key that you need to insert in the car. This is a permanent push start knob that you get here. This is the key fob. So it had a keyless start stop button from the time it was launched. This is the first generation Outlander, guys. So imagine the kind of technology they gave at that point of time. This is the dashboard, how it looks. Comes with airbags, ABS, automatic climate control, alloy wheels, cruise control, whatnot. These are the door trims. The interior cleaning is yet pending. It will be done by today afternoon and probably tomorrow the interiors will also be ready. Comes with electric seats, factory fitted leather seats with ventilation, so you can heat or cool the seats as well. The doors are a little tight, this I have noticed, so this is only one drawback that I've seen in the car yet. Now this is the rear seat which gets the backrest adjustment as well, so you can recline or decline the backrest as per your choice. There's the roof lining, which is all original and intact. There are some stains, but that will be cleaned. So this is how the dashboard looks like from the rear seat. It's a beautiful car. I really enjoy driving this. This is probably the first time I'm getting it on sale, but honestly I've really enjoyed driving this car for the last 2 days that I've been driving it. It's absolutely silent inside the cabin, like a luxury sedan, and it's got all the abilities that an SUV must have. So you get the feel and the comfort of a sedan, but you're yet having the power and the ability to take up any kind of road. Now the beauty of the car here is, this is the boot which we've opened. Now you see this bumper kind of a thing that is visible here. This unfolds like a Range Rover, so you just pull it. Now this is a seat, so you can actually sit, 2 people can sit on it, and relax if you're out on a vacation or on a short one-day trip, stopping behind some lake, or taking over a stop at a hill. You will enjoy sitting here. Comes with a factory fitted music system. There's a woofer which has been also provided by the company. So the music system outperforms any other music system that you listen that comes from the company. Now there's this button here. So if you see this button, see what it does. So I just press that button, hold it for a few seconds, and this is what happens. So immediately it's a huge trunk. For now I will just keep the seats like that. Wow, it is fabulous. I'm actually enjoying making this video on this vehicle. Honestly, I'm not doing it for my profession, I'm just doing it for my passion on this one. It's really fun. So now I'm inside the cabin. As you all know, I don't edit my videos. I don't put any cinematic shots or any kind of voiceovers into it. So any mistakes that I do, anything that is right or wrong, is actually there in the video. I don't change anything in the video, so you can see any kind of malfunction, any kind of bad thing that is there with the car will be visible to you in the video. That's the most honest way of making the video according to me. So I will now show you the odometer. So this is how, due to light it's not visible clearly. So this is the RPM the speedometer, and this is the tachometer, the RPM meter. So there's a check engine light which is there. We've already worked on it. So there's just one scanning which is required, and it will be out, not to be seen. There's no malfunction on the car. When you drive the car, by the way, the engine is already on, the air conditioning is already on, the car is absolutely silent. You won't even know that the engine is on. Driving the car, the steering is pretty stiff, feels confident even on high speeds. Good horn. There's absolutely no noise whatsoever from the suspension or from the wheels or from the body. Inside the cabin, there's absolutely no noise in the car. It's just brilliant. It's outstanding. I never expected an Outlander to be like this. I was a little amazed when I saw this car being used in the movie Rajniti, when Ranbir Kapoor, was throughout the movie using this vehicle. At that time, I was a little surprised that why is this vehicle being used here, because I never thought this is such a capable car. It's absolutely mind-blowing, guys. It's way ahead of the time. This car should have been launched now and it would have done wonders. Nevertheless, you still have the opportunity to own this beauty at Navi, Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37, Kaneri, CHS. You guys can reach me on 9768001006. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number. The car is available for inspection and test drive, and then we can work out on the price. By the way, the price currently that I'm looking at is 4,29,000 rupees. Once again, it's a 2009 Mitsubishi Outlander, second owner, 69,000 kilometers done, petrol automatic 4x4 SUV. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.